Good afternoon. I'm Staff Sergeant Chad Usher. The Pentagon says they will continue to take direct action against the terror group ISIL if they threaten U.S. personnel or facilities. Early this morning, the U.S. military conducted airstrikes against ISIL in Iraq. ISIL had made significant advances in the region over the past few days and were closing in on the city of Erbil, where U.S. personnel are working. The 500-pound laser-guided bombs targeted ISIL's mobile weaponry.
The artillery position that was maintained by ISIL that was struck by the American military early this morning, East Coast time, was focused on targets that were defending Erbil. And that is why that military strike was authorized, and that is why it occurred. So the protection of American personnel in Iraq is a top priority.
The Pentagon also conducted a humanitarian drop of thousands of gallons of fresh water and meals ready to eat to refugees fleeing ISIL's rampage. That's your DoD News Update. I'm Staff Sergeant Chad Usher.